Hi everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts. Thank you for tuning in for another one of my tutorials. I'm here today with the lovely Hannah and we're going to be showing you how to do 3 really easy bun hairstyles. So let's get started. Okay guys, because I want this to be a really easy tutorial, I'm not even going to be using a brush. I want it to be kind of like relaxed, messy. If you're doing it on a child and you want it to be that sort of smarter look, by all means, use your wax spray, use your hairspray, use your brush, get it looking neater, but I'm not going to be doing that today. So I want you to just pop this hair into a ponytail for me. And I'm also just going to be messing it up a little bit, using my fingers, just kind of like relaxing that hair. I want it kind of like effortless, bit messy. So on this first one, I'm going to be getting a little elastic band. If you haven't got an elastic band, don't worry, just use a hair tie or bobble. I'm just going to be popping that sort of 3/4 of the way down near the ends of the hair. I'm then going to be dividing that into 2 and almost using these 2 bits of hair like little handles, okay? So I haven't gone crazy, bear with me. So my little handles, and I'm just going to wrap that hair and roll it using these 2 bits to help me, like that. I'm then going to get my little ends here and just push them through that roll. So the same on the other side, just push it through that roll like that. I'm then just going to manipulate that hair around, and again, like I said, I don't care if it is just that little bit messy. So like that. And then using some grips, guys, don't open them up, just literally catch hold of the hair and just start pinning that hair into place. Now you can sort of mess with this bun and make it messier, if that makes sense. I'm not even going to pin that little stray bit there, I kind of like it. And that is it. That is your style done. Now if you wanted to do it lower you could, or higher, but I'm just going to leave that as it is now. Little spray and you're good to go. Okay guys, next style. I'm going to do this one a little bit higher on the head, but again, that is completely optional. You can decide, but I am just using my fingers, nice and chilled and relaxed, nothing too done. Working that hair up, can you see, with my hands to where I want that bun to sit. So once you're happy with where that ponytail is sitting, so I want it kind of here, what we're going to do is again use a bobble or hair tie. So this is what I'm going to do, so watch carefully. So normal loop of the pony, again normal loop of the pony, but then on this one I'm going to pull it through so it's like a little loop like that. You see how my fingers have gone into that hair tie there. I'm then going to pick up the ends of this hair, almost wrap it around my hand like that, and then push it back through like that. Then you'll just kind of manipulate that hair. So if you want to leave those little bits out, you can. If you want to make it look more like a bun, you can pin it like that, or you can just start sort of pulling at it, make it nice and big and messy, and then we're going to start pinning this bit of hair. I'm also going to just kind of relax these side bits all around like that, just giving it that kind of worn in look. Again though, if you're doing this on a child, you can still make this look quite neat. So you'd use your brush, use your sprays, you wouldn't do any of this kind of pulling out bit. Okay guys, last one, I would love to hear in the comments which is your favourite bun, which you find easiest to do. Right, what I'm going to do for this one is I'm going to go quite high. Okay, I think this one personally does work better high than low, but by all means have a go, see what you think, see if it does work low. But again, I'm just kind of using my fingers just to bring that hair. The hair wants to flow that way, so I'm almost just like using my fingers to pick up that hair and redirect it. So with this last one, I am not going to put a hair tie or bobble in, but you can if you want to, if you feel like it's not quite secure enough, but I'm not going to bother. So what I'm going to do is bring that hair up, twist it one way, and just twist that hair around like that. So just keep twisting, not too tight because we're going to be pulling it out, okay? Twist it around, and then I'm just going to then pop my bobble or hair tie in. So I'm just grabbing holds, securing it with that bobble, like that. So it looks a bit crazy at the minute, it doesn't look too good, but we're going to do some pulling and some tugging and it's going to look amazing. So watch, so just keep on pulling out that bun until it's the kind of size and shape that you're after. And then again guys, you've guessed it, just start pinning that bun into the shape that you're after. And there we go guys, I'm going to do a little spin for you, but this one looks a lot more kind of subtle and loose because we didn't put the hair into the ponytail first. So if you do want it to look more sort of structured, put the bobble in, the ponytail bobble hair tie in before you do the turnaround and it'll just look a little bit tighter, but I really like that for a change. I think this one's really nice on holiday, on the beach where, you know, you've got that kind of like just that sweeping up hair at the back there. So thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I've enjoyed making it with Han. Hannah's hair just does as it's told, it's amazing. I love doing Hannah's hair. And I will see you next Wednesday for another video. Bye!